Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about, is Steam accounts free? Yes, it is absolutely free to make a Steam account, but there is a big but. You won't be able to add friends or buy anything from, or even access the community. As you can see over here, this is a community. You won't be able to access the community or get any sort of friends. Well, obviously if someone sends you a friend request, you can add that, but you won't be able to send a friend request to anyone. And why is that? Because there's a lot of bots on Steam that like to make Steam accounts and send out fake advertisement, fake trade trade requests. So in order to minimize that, Steam has introduced this system which requires you to put at least $5 in your Steam account to activate it. And once you activate your Steam account, it does stay activated forever. So yeah, if Steam accounts are free to make, but in order to use Steam properly and entirely, you will need to spend $5 on Steam. And the best part is, this $5 that you put in, you can use it. Steam does not require you to give them the $5. Steam just requires you to buy something on Steam that's at least $5 worth. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.